my name is Daryl. Welcome to this session that discusses the template construction work order, which is available in the 22B release in the Oracle Utilities Work and Asset Cloud service. In this session, we'll talk about this new feature and how it can impact your business. I'll give you an overview of the template construction work order, followed by more detail to explain how you would use it and the benefits to your business. Then we'll walk through the demonstration. Finally, we'll explain what you need to consider when implementing this product in your business and provide you with some additional resources. There are numerous scenarios in the construction work management envelope where the work to be done is very similar. Previously, the planner would have had to create each construction work order from scratch. This new portal allows the scope of the work to be fully estimated and planned with only a few bits of information needed to create a construction work order. Two likely use cases in the electrical world would be streetlight installs and pole replacements. Now for a demonstration of the new portal. Let's take a look at the template construction work order. It's under the main menu and under the construction work management submenu, noting that all the menu items are now in alphabetical order. So we'll go under construction work management, template construction work order. I've already created a work order header. So let's search for that. So here's and notice that's prefaced by CT for construction template versus the regular template work order just prefaced by T. And we'll add a template construction activity by selecting the activity type. And we'll enter a description and create the activity. And we'll move on to the Compatible Units tab. And here's where things differ a little bit. On the regular construction work activity, I'd be adding a construction location right now. I don't have a location. This is a template. So let's select the compatible unit. And it would be a streetlight compatible unit. And there's my streetlight install CU. My quantity, my usage code, and save the record. So there's the compatible unit. I can edit that, I can add more, I can delete that. I can add resources if for whatever reason I need some wire or something that's not included in the material. I can add labor and or equipment. I'm going to treat this like a standard install, and you'll see that the standard install comes out to $682.68. Go to our main tab. I can add attachments here. I can detail and dependency within this template work order, attachments and notes. Let's go back to the header. And all I need to do is activate this. There's no approval process, just like on the regular template work order. So now that I've activated it, I can create a construction work order simply by clicking on the button. And I'm not going to need a whole lot of information. I need somewhere to send the crew. Well, I'm going to send the crew to a place I know is Arbutus and West 6th. And I need to tell the crew where they're going to get their equipment from, the material from. It all happens to be in central stores. If there was a different storeroom that material was available at, I could have selected a different storeroom. So all I had to do was give them a location or a work location, select the storeroom, save. So that was about a total of 3 mouse clicks. And I've got my construction work order. If I had multiple activities, the same location would go on every activity, and I could change that location. So there's my construction work order with my activity ready to go. I can approve it. It's already got the location on it, and go and install that streetlight. In this implementation advice section, I'd normally go through what you need to consider before enabling this feature in your business, and what you need to know to set it up. Other than enabling the security for the users to access this portal, There's actually nothing extra you need to set up. It would all have been configured within the standard construction work management implementation process. For additional information about the template construction work order, see the online help or the admin and business user guides on Oracle Help Center, which is available at docs.oracle.com. Thank you for your time and attention.